Just imagine, how can you be driving a Mercedes-Benz GLK, a W204 Mercedes-Benz C-Class, or a Lexus IS250 sedan and not expect the police around? How you want to run am?
You don't find that suspicious?
One of the fears of a young Nigerian driver is getting pulled over by the police for holy God knows whatever reasons. With series of personal experiences myself, I can boldly say it is practically impossible for a young driver in Nigeria to avoid getting pulled over. This could be attributed to several security reasons or to reasons best known to the security personnel. But what most young drivers don't know is that the kind of car you drive can definitely get you pulled over. But go invisible or totally go smooth is very possible. So today I'm going to be sharing with you a list of exclusive cars you can drive in Nigeria without any security personnel unnecessarily noticing you. Unless they watch this video, of course. But let's get this clear. The best way to avoid unnecessary police interaction is to obey and abide by the law. Drive safely, obey traffic rules, always use your turn signals, avoid overspeeding, don't drink and drive, and most importantly, don't do drugs. Have your complete papers, your driver license, and every necessary documents. Following these rules will keep you safe and out of trouble. But this is still Nigeria, you will still get pulled over, and that is why this video is important. Let's go, guys. Number 1, Toyota Corolla. No wonder this car is selling for such rigorous amount of money. This our brother and second citizen is the answer to a lot of our problems in this country. Low maintenance, presence, reliability, presence, fuel economizing, presence. And when it comes to being totally invisible, the Toyota Corolla also check that box perfectly well. When you drive one of these, it's either people think you're an Uber driver or someone who is still struggling to make it in life. And the funniest thing is that this is one of the most expensive cars in Nigeria as at now. Trust me, no one dare waste your time when you drive one of these. Number 2, the Toyota Hilux. If you drive an Hilux in Nigeria and still get pulled over by the police, V.I.O, road safety, truly, your village people are seriously following you. I don't know, but I don't think I've seen any of these security personnel pulled over a Toyota Hilux before ever in my life. Especially those ones with strobe lights in the grille and tinted windows. The Toyota Hilux is definitely one of the cars to go totally invincible on the Nigerian road. This could be because of its military heritage or because it's one of the most used cars by government officials and the security personnel themselves. Or simply because boys just don't drive Hiluxes. Everybody wants to drive GLKs, GLEs, and C-Class. So if you want to go invisible, buy a Toyota Hilux. The top of my list are Land Rover models, Land Rover Defender series, the Land Rover Discovery series, and the Range Rover series. I don't know, but I don't see where a security personnel pull over a clean Range Rover Sport, Vogue, a Land Rover Discovery, or a Land Rover Defender. If you have, let me know in the comment section below. And the fact is, if you drive one of these, there's a tendency that there's a Toyota Hilux behind you as an escort. This is because this is the most desired car brand for celebrities, top businessmen, and top politicians in the country. The appearance and the presence of these cars alone are so intimidating that and the good part is you don't need to buy the latest models of these cars to be a top dog. You could buy, let's say, a L322 model of the Range Rover Sports for less than 7 million naira in Nigeria, for a very clean example, and still get the same results. But be prepared for the many problems that come with the reliable and the durability part of it. But when it comes to going totally invisible, Land Rover models does justice to that. And number 4, I have the Lexus LX and the Lexus GX SUVs. If you drive a Lexus LS or GS in Nigeria, you are safe. But your problem is only beginning if you decide to buy a Lexus RX. Definitely do not need an election to become a president, a governor, or a top politician in Nigeria. Just get yourself a Lexus LX or a Lexus GX, and boom, you are the president of Yadubo. The Lexus LS especially is like the most adopted car by top government officials in the country, which has definitely created a safe space for these SUVs in Nigeria. Drivers and passengers of the Lexus LS and GX should be rest assured that they can drive anywhere in the country without getting pulled over. And at number 5, I have the Toyota Land Cruiser and the Toyota Land Cruiser Prado. Just like Lexus LS and GS, the Toyota Land Cruiser and Land Cruiser Prado is also one of the safest to drive cars in Nigeria. This is also because it is also attributed to Nigerian politicians and top businessmen in the country. This reason has also created a safe space for this SUV in Nigeria. And finally, I have the Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon. The G-Wagon is everything you want and expect from a car. It's bold, it's boxy, it's luxurious and relatively fast, and at the same time invisible and a well-respected SUV in Nigeria. A well-standing G-Wagon has a perfect safe space, especially from security personnel in Nigeria. This is mostly because it is termed a VIP car, which, trust me, these people don't want to mess around. With that said, one thing is clear: most of the cars on this list are luxury and expensive cars. Reason number one, you need to have a lot of money to buy or purchase any of these cars. But the good news is you don't have to break the bank to buy the best and the latest models of these cars to get the perfect results.
Finally see G-Wagon where your money can buy.
This is what I mean. 2001 Land Cruiser still get you the same result as a 2021 Toyota Land Cruiser. All you need to do is just have an extra 2 million, 3 million naira as well and take it to Bebe's Autos for complete overhaul, and boom, you have a 2021 model at your disposal. Don't cast this update too. And even if you don't upgrade it, trust me, you will still get the same results because these cars are big, bold, and intimidating. Let's not forget their affliction to top officials, top politicians, and top businessmen in the country. So if you're tired of security personnel's harassment in the country, two things you need to do: change your status, and two, change the car you drive. Come on, let's talk. Which other car do you think should be on this list that I did not include? Let me know in the comment section below, and also let me know what you think. Thanks guys, see you in the next video.